Welcome back to Astronomy 104, the astronomy of planets. Uranus. Or is it Uranus? Technically, the mythical god that the planet's named after is pronounced more like Uranus. But whatever you're going to call it, the seventh planet out from the sun was also the first planet to be discovered. Mercury, Venus, obviously Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, they can all be seen by anyone, and were always known, despite the fact that it took so long to sort out what they actually are. The planets you'll learn about in this module are the ones that astronomers discovered, the outer reaches of our solar system. Uranus was discovered in 1781, and uranium was discovered in 1789, named after the planet. If nothing else, that should tell you something about how to pronounce the planet's name, even if that does end up sounding like another way of saying your bum. Neptune was discovered in 1846, but it was almost 100 years before the first transuranium element was discovered. Since uranium is unstable, no one was actually sure there could be any elements heavier than 92 until subatomic particles were discovered, and they could start experimenting with them. But when element 93 was discovered in 1940, it was duly named Neptunium. And later that year, a decade after the discovery of Pluto, plutonium was discovered. The chemists were a lot quicker than astronomers after that, so element 95 became America. So much for the interesting connection to astronomy. I hope you enjoy this week's module. It's all about discoveries, finding planets through one method or another, and really one of the great triumphs of science. After exploring the initial discoveries of our outer solar system, you're going to go on to explore the subsequent things that we've learned about them. In particular, you'll learn why in 2006, astronomers facing a multitude of other outer solar system discoveries and having a better idea of what should constitute a planet than what people had in 1930, decided to reclassify Mickey's beloved dog as a dwarf planet. We've only sent one space probe out to each of Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Voyager 2, which flew past Uranus in 1986 and past Neptune in 1989, and New Horizons, which flew past Pluto in 2015. Those are really where we've learned the majority of what we know about all three of these objects, and the module will guide you through documentaries and news releases to explore what we know about the outer solar system. Have fun.